Hi everyone, my name is Jan. 皆さんこんにちは、ジャンです。So today, I'm gonna introduce you how to say thank you in Japanese. I think some of you knows that thank you is ありがとうございます。But there are other ways to say thank you. So I'm gonna introduce you how to say thank you in Japanese, including ありがとうございます and give you some tips and how to pronounce it. We have formal form and casual form in Japanese language. So formal form is used to show your respect to your elder people or superiors. On the other hand, casual form is used to your friends, family member, or someone very close to you. Well, this is really important if you want to speak Japanese language, because if you use casual way to your bosses or someone elder to you, it is really rude. And if you use formal form to your friend, it is really awkward. Let's be careful. So, let's learn how to say thank you in Japanese language. So, in formal form, you would say ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。So the point is, when you pronounce it, you have to extend the word to, and you have to tone down a bit when you say su. So it's gonna be like this. ありがとうございます。If I say it quick, ありがとうございます。Moving on to the casual way to say thank you. The casual way to say thank you is ありがとう。ありがとう。So when you want to sound natural, you have to extend the word to as well. So it's gonna be like this. ありがとう。If I say it quickly, it's gonna be ありがとう。So since I'm from Kobe, I use Kansai dialect. If you want to sound like Kansai people, you want to raise your voice towards end. So you're gonna say ありがとう。Tokyo people say ありがとう。Kansai people say ありがとう。There is another way to say thank you. This is between formal and casual. So we would say どうも。どうも。This word is from どうもありがとうございます。どうもありがとうございます is more polite way to say thank you than ありがとうございます。So we took the first part どうも。This means thank you now, but it's more casual than ありがとうございます and more polite than ありがとう。So then when you use it like someone you know but not really close to you, like neighbors. So when you pronounce it, you wanna extend the word do. So you wouldn't say どうも. You would say どうも。どうも。So today we learned 3 ways to say thank you. ありがとうございます。ありがとう。どうも。And the last tip from me today is the tone is really important when you speak Japanese as well. So, for example, when you say ありがとうございます, if you just say ありがとうございます, that I can tell that you're just saying thank you. But if you say ありがとうございます, that really sounds like you really appreciate it. It sounds different, isn't it? So I hope you learned something today, and I hope see you soon. Bye bye, またね。